Teka muna, konting meditation. Mga minute, tulungan ko kami. Ilan ang awa, halip iyong dinggin sa aming salay, iyong hamuin, ikaw ang tala, silbing ilaw sa amin, bawat isa iyong kalingain. O ina, dinig ng talang mo ay ipadama, pag-ibig sa kapwa'y iyong pag-alabin, ikaw ang hanap ng sanlibutan. Mahal na ina, o miraculous Lady of the Bleeding Heart, here in the Interfaith Chapel of the Ten Commandments, Center for Peace and Universal Love, here we offer to you these devotees, your devotees, you have called to serve you through the years in all loyalty, love, and devotion. And so your message from me yesterday was indeed as your thanksgiving, as your gratitude for the unending, loving, humble service, and for the example, for the graces to flow through all the regions of the Philippines and the world. O our miraculous Lady of the Bleeding Heart, may our offering, may when I wash their feet, somehow, Blessed Mother, provide them the experience of your loving gratitude. Because these ladies, these mothers, that you have asked me to offer, fill their hearts with your presence, with your graces. So the book that I wrote about you, pagbubukas sa tipan ng mahal na ina, in English, The Unfolding Covenant of the Great Mother. Above all, the message this morning, O miraculous Lady of the Bleeding Heart, you wish me to do this as your gratitude to our Manong Carlos Litos Valero, who now is given the grace to understand what is the covenant with the Great Mother. You are now using our Manong Litos Valero to be the instrument so that your covenant, the Blessed Mother, will be understood in Philippine history and prophecy. And so that what you represent will be felt by leaders, citizens, and communities. First, the washing will be done. I'm glad already Lynn Vivat is here because please get the staff of St. Joseph. Okay. Blessed Mother, the mothers who are here that you have called for your forever gratitude, combination of Darunggot Calamba Laguna Sagrada Familia, ilang glory of iba, Apolisio. Am I right? The husband of
Yes.
yes. And then we have Lynn Bibag, of course now married to Ron Bobby, and Ida Luis. And now, De La Union, Ate, Mama, Maria Luisa, Hinson, De La Union, Estrella Albiac, Janet Dumpin, and
Mirna po si Mirna po si
Mirna.
Mirna po.
Mirna Boksit. Okay. Now Remy, Remedios, I don't know where Remedios Morco is. But anyway, we will go ahead. Gregorio de Jesus said, do not wait for others because history does not wait. So anyway, I use this because in my dream, Saint Joseph said, I present this Saint Joseph staff of history. This is the crown when there were there were flowers here. I crown each member of the Sagrada Familia because according to the Blessed Mother, they have done their part for the mission. And now here is from the Interfaith Philippine Prophetic Daodigong Temple, headed by Grand Master Thomas Leang, the Lotus, and of course here. So, Ate, can you hold this while I'm washing the other so you the last to last you stand here so that you see the Saint Joseph. So, you be the last. So, now, I will wash the feet. Is there any Murphy there? Wala.
Wala po.
Okay? Yes, I'm sorry about my... So, Ate Lynn, please, first.
Maupo ka doon, Ate Lynn.
Okay. The right foot. Right foot lang. Right foot. Aida? Aida Ruiz? Stella? Right? Janet? Dumpi? Right foot? Mirna? Mirna? Boxy? Then Ate Lynn, take the stuff from Ate Malu. So,
Ay, si Ate Mal.
Ate Malu's right foot can be washed. And now, each one of you, or you begin because you're the last. You begin hold the two hands of Mama Mary as I sing solo yung uh, continuation of Ina ng Awa. Okay, sige. Each one of you, each one of you. love.